we're doing a full walk around of the Cessna, checking each part of the plane before takeoff. This is an important step in pre-flight safety and gives you a chance to make sure everything is in perfect shape for a smooth flight. Alright, let's check the fuel. This might seem straightforward, but it's one of the most critical steps in pre-flight. When I check the fuel, I'm looking at two main things: quantity and quality. First, I'm checking for quality by taking a fuel sample to look for any contamination, like water or debris. Water in the fuel system can cause the engine to sputter or even fail, which is obviously the last thing we want when we're up in the air. So I'll drain a small amount from the fuel tanks and make sure it's clear and free from particles or bubbles. Secondly, I'm confirming that we have enough fuel for the entire flight, including reserves for unexpected delays or detours. We don't just fuel for our planned route. We always have a safety margin built in. Moving up to the nose of the aircraft, it's time to check the propeller and spinner for any damage, like cracks or dings. Next up, we're checking the suspension, which is a crucial part of the pre-flight inspection. The suspension or landing gear struts play a big role in how smoothly and safely we handle landings and takeoffs. First, I want to make sure the struts are properly extended and aren't showing any signs of excessive wear or leakage. If there's a leak or if the struts are compressed too much, it could mean the suspension isn't working correctly. Don't forget the air inlets on the nose. These need to be clear of obstructions. Finally, I'll take a look at the nose gear, tire, and strut to make sure everything's in good shape. I'll also make sure the oil level is within limits by inspecting the oil dipstick. And then we have the alternator belt, which I'll check for proper tension and any signs of wear. With everything checked, I'll do a final walk around of the aircraft, looking for anything that may have been missed. It's always good to take one last glance at everything